One last one before the airport.
Meanwhile.
No, you want to cry. I don't wanna walk away, way too faster. Walking straight without gesture. I know we'll be just fine. We was well before your feelings flapped away. I'm hoping we can catch up. I know you want to cry. I don't wanna walk away.
I came with Eric.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna like get the picture of the church and stuff like that. Yeah, it looked like that.
We'll be just fine. We was well before your feelings flapped away. I'm hoping we can catch up. Baby girl, used to be last now. They could wait their turn. We built this great, great world. You're my baby girl, used to be last now. They could wait their turn. We built this great, great world.
You drink one after?
Yeah. You're gonna make the vlog, baby. And go.
Okay. Driving together.
.com. Say it again.
Okay. Driving together.com.
Hi, Addie. Say okay. Okay. Driving together.com.
Emotion.
Say it again.
I'm afraid that when she comes down the aisle, I'm gonna like just burst. Like 30 years of just suppressed, bulleted emotion will come out. I don't know how. Like if I cry, I don't know what I look like crying. I have no idea what.
Are we gonna see Adam cry today?
I don't remember.
Are we gonna see some Adam tears today?
I'm feeling that. I'm feeling a lot of emotion right now, but.
And go.
Okay, driving together.com.
You guys say hi to the camera. This is for Adam's camera. Say hi. Say congrats, Adam and Tina. Ready and go.
Congrats, Adam and Tina.
Yeah. Right here. Oh.
What's up, Adam? Congrats.
Yeah.
Really happy for both of you.
So I need you guys to say, you know, in his vlogs.
Okay.
Oh, everyone say it.
Okay. Drivingtogether.com.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay, so I just want to wish Adam, Christina, I wish you guys the best and that you have a wonderful life together. I'm so happy for you guys. In the meantime, drivingtogether.com.
All right, we're here at the church right now. We're like what, 20 minutes away from
20
it.
minutes, ETA.
How do you feel? Give a live reaction right now.
Feeling very excited. A lot of emotion that I normally not felt. I'm afraid of what I'm gonna do when I see Tina come down the aisle. I'm gonna like unleash all that emotion, but I mean, it's all in joy. It's all in good.
You want to say a heartfelt message to Tina before the aisle so she can watch this?
Tina, we've been through so much together, and I feel it already. I love you so much. Thank you so much for saying yes and being with me. I love you so much.
Dude. This is for Adam's vlog. You guys can say hi for the vlog. Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting everyone to say it.
Oh, okay.
You can say both of them.
Ready? You say okay, and then driving.
Together.com.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay. Drivingtogether.com.
2, 3.
Okay. Drivingtogether.com.
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, drivingtogether.com.
Perfect. We're like, what, 10 minutes time right here?
Yep. 10 minutes time, yo, they're about to get wet, man.
10 minutes before the wedding.
You should have went with us, man.
Where'd you guys go?
We went to the bar.
And 3.
Okay, drivingalone.com.
There you go. Josh, are you nervous? You got the jitters, right?
Dude, I'm hungover.
Yeah, you got
Get out of here.
This is for the vlog right here. Yeah, he's there. Positive. Is it possible? Something about Adam for the vlog. This is for the vlog. You watch it, bro.
Thank God you grew up good.
Proud of and happy for you.
That's good.
Thank you, Todd.
The vlog. Say something great.
Nana is so happy for you. You know, that's all Nana wants is your happiness. And I wish you the best, the blessing. And I'm glad that you found your partner, your love of your life. And all I want for you is joy, peace, happiness, and all. Love you so much, anak. Drivingtogether.com.
There we go.
Oh, I should look up for that.
Meanwhile,
I never knocked on nobody. I never knocked on nobody.
Yeah. All right, we're what? Almost.
Yo, this is gonna happen, yo. So this is what's gonna happen. Adam and Tina are gonna go walking down the fucking aisle of this church. This is gonna be the most remembered day ever.
Oh, there it is. That's
The
it.
day that Adam and Tina get fucking married. And right now, Mark is taking the camera from me because Tina's getting here. And Tina's right here. Woo! The bride is here. The bride is here right now. Look at this bride. This bride looks fucking amazing. This bride looks so fucking great. Look at her.
You guys look great.
The bride. Look, the maid of honor killing it. Close to the vlog. Enjoy. Kill it. Kill it. Play. Yes, girls. Yes. Look at the bridesmaids over here.
Opera.
You good? You good? You good?
What's happening?
Oh my god.
You want to say something real quick for Adam for the vlog?
I love you. And
Okay. Okay.
say hi.
Say hi to the girls.
Forward, yeah.
Yeah. That tattoo. You in there? You're in the club.
I had no idea.
If you want good pictures, walk slower.
You guys want to say hi? Smile. Smile. Nope. So
Coming from.
Daddy shark, Mama shark, do 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 do. Yeah. Mama shark, do 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 do. Mama shark. Yo, this is lit, Mother Shark. Sister Shark, do 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 do. Shark, do 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 do. These kids are here. We about to go. We about to go.
Check it to Eric.